We're going to apply a long sleeve shirt with a goof-proof screen printed transfer design. So we have our goof-proof screen printed transfer, and we're going to go ahead and cut our design from the sheet and set that to the side. And we have our long sleeve sweatshirt here, and a long sleeve sweatshirt has a, from the manufacturer, has a line down the center from where it lays flat. So we're going to use that to guide our application. So we're going to lay down our long sleeve sweatshirt with the front facing forward towards us, and go ahead and close your heat press and pre-press the fabric for 4 seconds. This will remove any moisture or wrinkles from the fabric. And then you can go ahead and take your transfer and apply it with the inside facing down as close to that seam as you can. And then go ahead and close your heat press and press for the application instructions on your transfer. For this goof-proof transfer, it's 4 seconds. And once it's complete, peel your transfer paper away, and your long sleeve shirt designed with a goof-proof screen printed transfer is complete.